video covers all the tools you would need in order to start making money. These are professional and free tools. I personally use these tools, and every successful trader I've come across uses this tool. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. The first thing on our list will be a smartphone. If you're watching this video at the moment, there are high chances you're probably watching me from a smartphone or you are watching from a computer. Either of these would work fine, but when it comes to a smartphone, with an Android phone, you need at least version 8 upward. But if you don't have up to version 8, don't worry about that, because I'm going to give you a quick fix when I start talking about technical tools you need in order to make money from the financial market. The next thing on our list will be a trading journal. Take a look at this. Due to the relationship I have with this book, if I throw this pen up, it's definitely going to stand on this place. Let's try it out. Oh. Okay, that's human error. Fine. So if you feel you are omnivorous and you know everything, you can skip this part. But let me tell you this, trading takes time, and if you want to actually fasten your time and get profitability very early in your trading career, you need to take your trading journal very serious. Your daily activities, how you place your trade, when you get in the trade, when you exit the trade, you need to write them down. Take a look at this book. There's a write-up on this book, and there's a structure. You can see different drawings on the book, right? And before I place any trade, I actually write down why I'm placing that trade, and I'll draw what I saw in the market. Because if you do this, you're training your eyes in order to get familiar, because Forex patterns are repeated all the time. Here's how you use your trading journal. You write down what you saw before you place the trade, why do you want to place the trade, how you're feeling at the moment, what are you comfortable risking. So if this trade actually gets to your take profits and you bank profits from that trade, that's fine. You have something to look back on. And if it goes otherwise and it's a loss, you have something to learn from. There is no loss in forex trading. You're either learning or you're earning. The next thing on our list will be the broker or the brokerage firm. The broker is the middleman between you and the financial market. Your funds are too small to access the market. You cannot access the market on your own. So you need a broker to deposit your money with, to trade through their platform. So your broker will connect your funds to the financial markets. Now, there's something you need to do when you're picking a broker. You need a broker with tight spread. These are secrets you need to know. Spread is the difference between the buy and the sell. Each time you place the buy or the sell button, automatically there's a negative in your equity. That is the money you're paying your broker for placing a trade. That is their charges for you placing a trade through their platform. So you need a good broker that will charge you less for this. And you can go ahead and make a research about other brokers. Just pick the brokers that offers a tight spread and they are reputable. If you fall in the hands of a scam brokerage firm, when you probably make a profit and you're trying to withdraw your money, they might deny you your profits, might deny you your withdrawals. Okay? And when there's a fundamental news coming out in the market, you might have slippage, a lot of slippage from your brokers. I personally trade with XM because they offer tight spread, and over the years they've proven to be consistent. If you're comfortable trading with XM, there's a link in the description of this video. Click on the link to direct you to the website, then you can sign up there. The next thing on our list will be TradingView. It's a platform where you analyze the markets. It offers varieties of instruments, both metals, oil, we have forex, commodities, indices, and others. Here's a quick fix. If you have an Android phone below version 7, just go to Google and type TradingView. It will take you to the official website. Click on the official website and you can basically do everything you want to do from the website, and it works perfectly fine. All right, the next thing on our list will be MetaTrader. Now we have MetaTrader 4 and we have MetaTrader 5. I would suggest you go with MetaTrader 5 because MetaTrader 5 is the updated version of MetaTrader 4. It has more indicators. It's very easy to use. I personally, I prefer MetaTrader 5. You can test the both out and pick the one you feel like using for yourself. Here is what you need to start trading. Once you sign up with your broker then gives you the login detail. You take this login detail and you impute it into your MetaTrader 5. Now, once you input these login details into your MetaTrader 5, you can start trading the financial market. Now, here's what you need to do. Place your trade through MetaTrader 5, analyze through TradingView, have a broker where you trade with, have a trading journal where you write things down. Now, the last tool you need in order to start making money from the financial market will be investing.com. There's a web version to this and there's an application for this. Typically, what you do with this is just check the fundamental news that will be coming out in the market. Before you place a trade on MetaTrader 5, you need to open your investing.com and check if there is any major event coming out. If there is any news event coming out, you need to know when to stay out of the market and when to go into the market. You might be wondering, how do you connect your broker with your MetaTrader 5? I'd already made a separate video and I'll be linking that video to this. Just watch that video next. Now, for investing.com, I'll be making a step-by-step guide on how to set up your investing.com so you can avoid some news and focus on the major news events. If you use the investing.com app just like that, there are just too many news events. At the end of the day, you won't be able to place any trade. There's a link in the description of this video. Just click. If you feel comfortable trading with XM, there's a link in the. If you gain value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want to see future content from this channel, just hit the subscribe button as well. Now, if you feel like spending more time on this channel, watch this video next where I explain how you can connect your broker with your MetaTrader 5. And until next time, happy trading, guys. Yes.